My favorite thing about Holy Rosary is you get a relationship with God and you get amazing academics and you also get a very amazing Holy Rosary family at the school.
What makes Holy Rosary special is how everybody usually gets along in the activities that we do.
That everybody is kind and nice.
Okay. I really enjoyed the education here and having time to spend with my friends at school.
What I like best about Holy Rosary School is how every Friday we get to go to Mass and how every day we always have religion class and we get to learn about God and what He did for us and how much He loves us.
What makes Holy Rosary School special is all the teachers.
What I love most about Holy Rosary School is I like the teachers, how when you make a mistake they talk about it with you and they don't just get frustrated with you. They help you learn your mistakes so that in the future you know what to do better now.
I like that teachers are not mean, they're always nice no matter what you do, wrong or right. I like doing work sometimes, a lot actually. And that's what I like about Holy Rosary. It's a good school.
I like best about Holy Rosary School is we learn new things, and we when our teachers tell us what we're supposed to do, and then it just gets in my mind and it's like, okay, I need to do this and this and I need to do it right, and that's what I like best about Holy Rosary School.
Alright, what do you like best about Holy Rosary School?
What I like best about Holy Rosary School is that if they're teaching you Mass, for example, and you don't get it, they'll be right to help you, not just leave you there to figure it out on your own, that they're right to help you. And that the way they teach everything is really, really good, that you can learn it quick and fast. And that all the teachers are nice and very nice, and they all help you out, even if it's not your school teacher. That's what I like best about Holy Rosary School.
What I like most about Holy Rosary is the teachers. They make learning fun and they're really nice to us.
What I like most about Holy Rosary is the learning, because all the teachers make it fun to learn and easy. My favorite part about Holy Rosary School is all the loving teachers.
That we have fun during school.
I like that I can be closer to God and I can go to Mass every Friday to be with all my friends and learn about God and to just participate a lot.
My favorite thing about Holy Rosary is that we can learn a lot. I like the teachers and all the students, and I like that I can have good friends.
What I like best of Holy Rosary School is the teachers, because the teachers are very nice to you. They're very friendly, and if you mess up, they will just correct you, and it won't be like hard, and it won't be like too business. You can have jokes and laughs and talk.
My favorite part about Holy Rosary School is that you have the luxury to learn about God and Christ and other different subjects.
A mí que me gusta muchísimo de esta escuela es que nosotros tenemos mucha educación.
Lo que a mí me gusta de esta escuela es que tenemos educación, puedes hacer muchos amigos y son amables aquí.
A mí me gusta cómo los maestros me empujan a hacer cosas que yo no creía que podía hacer antes.
A mí me gustan cómo son los maestras y los maestros son muy cariñosos conmigo y siempre me esfuerzan a hacer lo que no pensaba que podía hacer en los pasados años.
Me gusta llegar pronto y hacer matemáticas y hacer el trabajo que debo que terminar pronto.
A mí me gusta esta escuela porque cuando estoy con mis amigos yo puedo estudiar matemática e inglés todo el día con ella.
Yo gusta Holy Rosary Escuela porque está bien bueno y mi maestra está bien gusta.